So hello everyone, welcome to Artist Inline. Today we will learn how to make a menu card using Microsoft Word. So let's start. First you have to change the page dimensions, set it into landscape and change the page size into Super 8. Now select the option shape and you have to take rectangle shape above the page. Okay, so now I have to fill the shape with an image I have downloaded earlier from the Google. Here I am selecting the image and you can see now adjust this image by moving the cursor. After adjusting the image, now you have to insert another rectangle shape. Select the rectangle shape and place it on the page like this. Now you have to fill the shape color. Here I am filling it with orange color. I guess orange color seems so dull. So here I am changing the color from orange to yellow. And yes, it looks so great. Now you have to change the style. Select the option edit shape and then select the option edit points. And then you have to adjust the shape style according to your choice. So here is the final look. Now you have to remove the outlines. So select the outline and then select the option no color. Similarly, go to the outline option and again select no outline. After removing the outline, now you have to send this image backward beside this shape. So press the right key of your mouse and then select the option send image backward. Automatically this image will get backward beside this shape. Now you have to insert a circle shape. Then you have to insert an image on this shape. After inserting an image, now you have to adjust this shape and you have to remove the outline from the above image. Select the option no line and after removing the outline, adjust this shape, send it downwards and after that you have to select a text box and you have to write enjoy our tasty food with available offers, something like that on this text box. After writing the whole text, now you have to select the whole text and then change its font size into 22 or 28 so it will become readable. After changing its size, now you have to centrally align this whole text. Now you have to bold some of the word, bold it so it can look something like this. After bolding the words, now you have to change the language or font styles. You have to select something bold, something like this. After that, you have to fill the text box color. Select the text box and then select the option no color. So the color will get removed. Similarly, remove the outline also. Adjust the text box and then you have to place the logo or the circle shape of the tasty food below this text.
Now you have to insert another text box where you will write your address and contact number.
After writing this, now you have to select the text and increase its font size. Also change the color from black to white. Something like this. Now you have to insert another shape above the page. Select the rectangle shape and then select the option edit shape and then edit points. And design the shape like this. Perfect. Now you have to change the shape color. Change it an orange yellow color. Then you have to insert another text box above this shape. Okay, so after adding a text box, now you have to write something on this text box. Here I am writing great taste, great value, and free home delivery service, something like this. And yes, don't forget to increase the font size. Also, change the font color into white. Now on the logo side, press Ctrl C and copy the logo and then place it on the top of the page. Now you have to select new document and select a new page. After that, insert a rectangle shape. After placing the shape, now you have to fill the shape color. Fill it with image. I have downloaded an image earlier from the Google. Select the image and then adjust it and then place another text box like this on the page. And now you have to write one by one the offers which you are providing. Okay, so my first offer which I am giving is of Zinger Burger. So I'm writing the rates of the Zinger Burger on this text box. After writing the rates, you have to change the font style and font size. You can also change the font color. After writing your offer, now you have to select another shape. Go to option shape and select the triangle type shape. Place it above the page and then change its color into red. Like this. Rotate the shape by moving the cursor. To that, select the shape and then select the option edit shape and then select the option edit points. By using the edit points, you have to rotate the triangle shape like this. Now select the text and then press Ctrl C so that this text get copied. Again press Ctrl C. Copy the text according to the number of the offers you are giving. Place the text one by one on the page. Now you have to change the offers. You can change the offers into different varieties. Here I am giving different varieties other than the Zinger Burger like chicken sandwich, chicken burger, etc. like this. Now moving towards the previous page. Copy the text from page 2 by pressing Ctrl C and then place the offers here on the page 1. One by one. Like this. After pasting the all offers, now you have to click on the logo and shift it towards the right side. Because I am adding another offer on this page. Okay, so I am done with pasting the offers. Now you have to insert another rectangle shape below the logo. After that, write some text on this text box. Here I am writing a proverb, but you can write anything you have to write on the text box. After writing the text, you have to increase the text size. Also, you can also change the text color. I am changing the text color in red and yellow. Now insert another rectangle shape above this text. After inserting it, select the option edit shape and then edit points and then edit the shape by moving the cursor. And after editing it, now you have to change the text box color. Change it into yellow. Change the yellow text color into white and then change the yellow color into orange yellow as it is not suiting with the menu card. Okay, so we have almost done with our menu card. You have to select another text box and place it on the page, and here you have to write menu. After that, increase the font size like this. Now you have to change the font style into Times New Roman. Centrally aligned the text. After that, change the text color into white and then select on the text box. Select the option Drawing Tools and then select the option Outline and then click on the option No Color. So the color will get removed. And your menu card is ready. So guys, this is our final look of the menu card. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Follow up my channel for upcoming exciting video. Stay tuned.